Hey YouTube, as y'all can see by the title, I will be trying out natural hair clippings from Curls Curls. These clippings are 16 inches and the curl pattern is 3C 4A. So this is the shampoo that I'm using and the conditioner. And I'm using the one and only Felicia leatherware brush. Here's what the clippings look like straight out the bag. Alright, first things first, I'll eat your brains, then I'ma start rocking gold teeth and fangs. That's what Alright, let me stop doing too much. Anyways, first things first, I wet the hair and then I shampoo it. So this is me scrubbing the clippings. And then after I do that, I will condition it and detangle. This is the shedded hairs from the clippings. It's not that bad if you ask me, to be honest, because natural hair sheds, so it's the same with these clippings. So I have my clippings on hangers.
The ghetto!
I'm using Texture by Cantu leave-in conditioner to moisturize my own hair. And after I do that, I will detangle with the Felicia leatherware brush. Listen, I don't want to keep saying this every video, but I literally swear by this brush. Like, I love it. And now I'm putting Eco Styler gel in my hair so it can match the clippings perfectly. When I'm done applying the gel, I'll apply the clippings. And then I just repeat for every layer of my hair. So I think I get the gist now, so I'm gonna stop talking.
Please leave a message after the tone.
because it took me forever to part. Alright, so here is where I low-key messed up. So I was planning on doing a wash and go with these clip-ins, but as y'all can see, it's not really looking right. I honestly think I should have used a dimming brush and then it would have blended better, but I wasn't feeling it, so I just decided to do a twist out. So it's the next day and I put twist in my ponytail so it will be smaller when I wrap it around. So here's the final results. I like it, but next time I'm actually gonna try a shorter length. A few days later, I actually ended up adding more clip-ins, and this is how I look. I'm also gonna try a ponytail instead of a bun next time. I'm out, y'all. Peace.